Welcome to Oils and Herbs. Finding herbal remedies for constipation is fairly simple. In fact, many laxatives that are over the counter contain herbal ingredients. Anthraquinones, or compounds that have a stimulant effect on the intestines, are found in most laxative herbs. By drawing fluid into the colon and increasing peristalsis, these laxatives work. Peristalsis is the contraction of the intestines, helping to transfer fluid to the rectum via the colon. When constipated, adding fiber and fluids is crucial. Let's count down the top 5 herbal remedies for constipation. Number 1. Senna. Senna is used prior to some medical procedures to relieve constipation and clear the intestines. It is thought that the fruit is gentler than the leaf. It can however be used only for short term and at the prescribed doses. Senna pills are effective against constipation, and most drugstores will have them in stock. It's been documented that long-term and high-dose use causes harm to the liver. Number 2. Rhubarb. Although this vegetable is probably best known as an ingredient for pie, it is often used to treat constipation. Rhubarb has a laxative effect, but because of its tannin content, a study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology found that it also has anti-diarrheal effects. As a consequence, rhubarb can be used for constipation only on a short-term basis. Number 3. Buckthorn. A common herbal laxative that comes from a species of buckthorn tree's bark extract. This extract works by sufficiently stimulating the colon to facilitate bowel movements. Short-term use is typically well tolerated. However, abdominal pain or deficiency in electrolytes can be a problem. Long-term use can lead to liver disorders ranging from mild to serious liver failure. Number 4. Psyllium. A member of the genus of plantain plants, psyllium is a laxative of natural fiber that helps produce bulk stools. For the treatment of chronic constipation, psyllium is sometimes used and can be combined with other natural and synthetic laxatives. However, some side effects can be caused by it, such as an allergic response, nausea and sickness, pain in the stomach and even throwing up. Number 5. Slippery elm. There is a tradition of this herb being used for constipation. In the gastrointestinal (GI) tract, it activates nerves, which contributes to mucus development and provides relief from constipation. To define long-term impacts, minimal research has been performed. Slippery elm contains mucilage, a sticky material that coats the GI tract. As a consequence, if taken at the same time, it could limit the absorption of certain drugs. Always talk to your doctor before using herbal remedies. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more natural cures using oils and herbs, subscribe to the channel.